Alright, this is Gus. Want to see the top 10 things to do while you're quarantined? Nah, neither do I. Hey, I'm Gus with Art of Rving. If you haven't subbed to us, nah, don't sub. Unsub. Thumbs down. What do I care? It's not my channel. I've been challenged by the RV traveling MIA researcher. Think your name's long enough? Think your name's long enough? Well, he wants us to do the top 10 things to do while I'm in quarantine. Well, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not doing 10. Let's do it right now. Ooh, don't talk to me. Just come to your favorite to-go spot and get your food to go. Sometimes you meet some interesting friends when you're around here. Mamacita.
This is your food.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Yummy. I'll take it. Got myself some enchiladas here, and some beans and some rice. Yummy. Except I get gassy. Okay, you know, I've got something to do here. I don't like to do it, but it's something that you might like to do. Hey, is that microphone on? Okay, so I'm going to tell you something that I don't particularly like to do, but some other losers like to do it. Why don't you go to a drive, maybe nowhere. Nowhere. There's no destination in mind. You're just going to drive. And you're just going to have to enjoy yourself, you know? It's called a drive to nowhere. That's right. That's right. Don't talk to me. All right, so another thing we do. All right, I'm gonna tell you. Yeah, we go to this church. Yeah, I'm a nice guy. So what? I'm a God lover. Yeah, I know, God lover. We're just gonna pick up some, what are we picking up?
Palm leaves.
Picking up some palm leaves to put on our mailbox, you know, at our house. Church, it's a good thing. We're picking up the palm leaves for Easter Sunday.
Actually, Palm Sunday. Tomorrow is Palm Sunday.
Okay. We're picking up the, what are they?
Palm leaves.
We're picking up the palm leaves for Palm Sunday. That's right, we're gonna put them on our mailbox. That's right. I know, I'm a nice guy. I'm a nice guy, just ask me. I got another suggestion for you guys going crazy over there. You know, when you spend all that time together, you're driving each other nuts. Why don't y'all pull out that game over there? You know that game right there, Yahtzee? You know that I got 7 Yahtzees in a row. Look how old that box is right there. That box right there is 200 years old. Yeah, that's right. That's right. I'm the World Championship Racko player. Yeah. That's what it is. You guys are getting bored with each other. Bring out the games. Let the games begin. Okay, you guys are bored out of your mind. I'm gonna tell you a new game that we discovered. It's called Flip the Keurig Cup in the Keurig. Say that 10 times. Flip the Keurig Cup in the Keurig. This is how you play. You get about 3 feet from the Keurig and you toss in a cup and see if it goes in. Amazing! Okay, so this is the way you play. You toss it in and see if you make it. Do it again. It's a winner, chicken dinner! Okay, she can do it. I can do it. Here we go. Alright, so something else fun that I like to do, well, other than drinking. You know those sketch pads, even if... Okay.
Sorry.
Something fun to do is to break out a piece of paper and get yourself out a crayon and get in there and start drawing something. It doesn't matter what you draw. Maybe you can have a drawing contest. I went to the most prestigious art school in France. That's right, in France. And I can really draw. So I'm gonna show you some of my drawing skills right here. Look at that. It looked just like them, didn't it? Yeah, I know. Because Kari is pretty. And Marc, start drawing. Something else fun to do is to go through your old photo albums. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I'm a little sentimental. Bah! Yeah, I'm a nice guy. I just don't seem like it. Don't talk to me. Pull out your old photo albums like this one, and you're gonna see what's really important in your life. Let's look and see a few of these right here. It can be fun. Bring them out with the kids. Have some fun. Let's take a peek at these right here. What do I got in here? Look at this one. Yeah, Marc and Kari. having dinner with his parents for the first time. Oh, it's so sweet, I think I'm gonna be sick. Look at Marc and Kari, Easter in the 80s. I tell you what, she was hot. He's still a dud. Oh, look at this one. Marc being goofy like he always is. And she's still hot. Look at Marc and Kari. Christmas. That's so sweet, it makes my teeth hurt. Marc and Kari hanging out in the day. Well, you start to get the picture. Hope you enjoyed the photos. Yeah, okay, whatever.